Save that story for wing food. Save that story for food chew. What is it? Keep that story for Wayne fun. Save that story for food chew. What is it?
But it risks my life grocery shopping.
Save that story for Wayne food. Did I say it wrong again? Wang Fu. I said it right. I'm sorry. One more time and we have it. Save that story for Fan Shu. All right, everybody, let's go. Let's go. How's that, everybody? All right. Fan Shu, or Fan, you know the name of it. It's on the corner of 10th and Market anyway. Gloria, your English is terrible.
One time when Manny was 6, he took him to the petting zoo. Petting zoo? I found out that the petting zoo was the name of a street club. Of a strip?
Yep.
That was the name of the stripper club. Once, when Manny was 6, Javier took him to the Lippers zoo. But the point is that in my culture, when you dream of a mouse,
What did you say? Is the mouse in your mouth?